Okay guys, tonight I'm going to a haunted cemetery and it's absolutely terrifying and haven't even reached the gate yet. Oh my god. Okay, this is Hulkin Old Cemetery. Dates back to the 17th century. And there used to be a church here, but the church was demolished and there were no more burials after the church was demolished. And it was demolished in the late 1800s, I believe. Oh god, I can't believe I'm going to go in there. I have been here before. There's a video of this during the daytime. Blimey. Still raining quite a bit. Hope this phone holds out. Now, it's been called the most haunted cemetery in North Wales. Oh my god, I thought I saw something then. Oh, it's just the leaves of the tree. I won't lie to you, this is scary. Yes, the most haunted cemetery in North Wales apparently. And there's been a lot of paranormal investigators coming here. And they usually detect stuff right at the back of the cemetery. Oh, I can't try and make the name out here. Will, oh, can we get out? Wainwright? No. Died February, can't make the year out. He was 67. It's a very simple grave here, just with the initials TP on it, I think. And the date, I don't know if you can make that date out, I can't. Yeah, at the back of the cemetery, I've seen some footage of it myself. At the back of the cemetery, somebody filmed some shadows moving about. It said that there's a man haunting this cemetery. And he's dressed in white. So I make the name out on this. This one's in Welsh, in memory of Henry Redfern. Died. Oh, it's very hard to make out. I think he was 33 maybe, and he died in 1855. And also his brother, I'm not sure, William Redfern. Seriously spooky. I'm glad I've got a powerful torch. have a look at another gravestone. Roberts. Died, is that Hydref, October? Yeah, October 24th, 1880. And he was 63 years old. And also Hannah, his wife, died September 22nd, 1903, I think, at the age of 83. Let me know if you want me to make more of these nighttime videos. I actually know of a place that's going to be even spookier than this, although it's not known to be haunted. Now, I mentioned earlier there was a church here, and there's like a bit of raised ground here. The church must have been on top of this because there's no headstones on top of that. It's a very small church. Okay, I'm gonna get up to the spooky bits now. I'll just go further down first and work my way up the left hand side here. Oh god, I hate this. I get a horrible feeling there's something behind you. I feel better when I'm pointing up towards the cemetery. Now, I was here before, and I think the oldest graves in the cemetery are down here. But you can't make the dates out on many of them. But these are the ones that date back to the 17th century. I hope my phone survives this rain. I'm planning to go live tonight on TikTok from here. I'm having a real push on TikTok at the moment. I had 900 followers on it 2 weeks ago, and I'm up to 15,000 now. But I don't know if the signal's going to be strong enough here to do a live, but we'll see. Okay, just trying to find some of the more unusual headstones. This one that's been broken here. Somebody must have vandalised this one to open it like that. The body wouldn't have been in there, it'd be buried underground. It's not like a tomb as such. Okay, kind of heading towards the most haunted part of the cemetery now, according to the paranormal investigators that have been here. Filming this on a gimbal. I hope it's okay. It seems to be going a little bit in all directions sometimes. Oh god. That white thing in the middle of the screen is a branch of it, or is a tree, I think. That scared me a little bit. Let me know if you see or hear anything. This gimbal's going a bit crazy. I think I'll ditch the gimbal. Okay. Go around this way, I think. See if we can see a name again. No. Actually, this one's really old. 1748, but I can't really make out the name on it. I'm always checking it down now. Okay, getting close to the top of the cemetery now. Look out for anything unusual. It's actually larger than what I remember. I won't lie to you, it is scary. But saying that, I don't feel any presence. Just that it looks spooky, so. Famous last words there. Look at this one. In memory of Elizabeth, dear bride of Thomas, can't make the surname out, died February 21st, 1898. Also Thomas Bellis died December 5th, 1897 at the age of 77, and Elizabeth was 72. It's kind of half and half here. Some of the graves are in Welsh and the others in English. Have to be careful not to slip here, it's very wet. Oh God. Just saw something in white then, was that just the headstone? It's seriously spooky. Oh God. if I want to go down there. Looks like there's another gate there maybe, on the side. There's a grave in the middle of this with railings around it. Let me know how my camera work is with this. I haven't done one at night time before. Am I moving around too fast, or is it okay? Let me know. Give me some. I don't mind constructive criticism. Just tell me so I can improve for next time. Okay, it just keeps going. Oh God, it's muddy here now. Whoa, oh God. There's a high chance I'm going to slip. Or a high probability, I mean. Okay. Okay, I think we're pretty much at the top now. Yeah, I can see a wall just over there. That's that Celtic cross headstone that scared me earlier. Big headstone here. Oh, can't make anything out on that. Strange. Can't be this side, no? Oh, it's this side. It's the opposite side of all the others. Sacred. How does the grave visitation site do this? They do that, and you can see it's to the memory of Thomas Harrison, son of Richard Harrison, died 17th of July 1830. He was only 18. There is something quite cool on the other side of the cemetery I want to show you before I finish. Don't think, have I been down there? Another one that's been split open here. I'm not as scared now. Kind of gotten used to it. God, I deserve some kind of award for doing this. Another one with railings here. I'm sure somebody's been vandalising these because the slab on the top of this has been moved. I don't think the live on TikTok's going to happen tonight with this rain. Okay, let's go to the other side. The other side, that was in the other side of the graveyard. I hope the picture's remaining in focus. I'm not looking at the screen all the time in case I slip. Okay, be over here I think. There's a slab on top of this grave and it's been lifted by the roots of a tree that's fallen. So this is the grave here. It's quite a large one. See the slab there. If you go the other side, the writing on the slab is on the other side. Don't know how clearly you can see this. Go further back in a bit so you can see it better. I did read this last time I was here. See if we can make it out. Robert something Lloyd. Oh yeah, he was only 2 years old, but there's some other people buried with him. So it's like a family grave. But I can't make all that out. I don't think I was able to make that out during the day. You'd need to clean it a little bit to be able to read it. Let's go further back so you can see that. If I can. That's not much room. Okay. I think there was a couple more interesting ones in the trees somewhere. If there's stuff I missed and you want me to come back here, I will do that. Oh, got spooky again now. Keep thinking I see things, but it's just tree branches and stuff. Okay. Go further down and try and go to the left. Yeah, this is where the church was, because there's no headstones in the centre here. Try here. Okay, let's see. It's one with railings here. This one again, there's the slab on the top of the grave seems to have been moved. Some kids probably. Looks like this is going to be quite a long video compared to what I usually do. Let me know if it's too long, so next time I'll make it shorter. Okay, this is what I wanted. I was looking for this one. It's cross and it's got like, or it did have ivy growing over it. It had ivy growing over it and it has like, I don't know if it's ivy in the design or some kind of plant anyway. Seems to be more well, it is more overgrown in this part. There might be some more up there, but it's too overgrown to go there. Trees fallen down here. Seems to have damaged that grave there. There's another 2 or 3 places I've got in mind for doing this kind of video. They aren't cemeteries, but they are spooky, and 1 or 2 of them are said to be haunted. If you've got any suggestions... Oh, look at that, church bell. That's the church that replaced the church that was demolished here. It's only a few hundred feet away. Where was I? Yeah, if you've got any suggestions, preferably in North Wales. But if you've got any suggestions in England, I will think about doing those as well. Or South Wales as well, of course. I'm sure there's stuff I've missed. If there's any paranormal investigators watching and they want to come here with me with their equipment to make a video, let me know. Or if there's anybody watching who've got any stories about this cemetery and the people who are said to haunt it, let me know in the comment section. I could go on and have a more detailed look, but I think we'll call it tonight. Let me know if you want me to come back here sometime at night. Okay guys, I survived. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next one.
Under the trees, I found a box of black pearls. I couldn't believe that it could change our known world. Under the stars, one night I opened it up, and your voice came pouring out like gold, as silent as a whisper in the wind. Lonely words were
It's a shame it's so close to the
hovering
M55
within.